everyone, welcome to my motivational clean with me on this lovely Sunday morning. The weather's dry, so we'll call it lovely. It's actually not too cold either. So we're going to get stuck into some nice deep cleaning. I'm starting my cleaning upstairs as I usually do. Sometimes I do start downstairs for a little change, but today we're starting upstairs. I'm going to show you in a sec some cleaning products that we're going to be using in today's cleaning video. I'm just going to get stuck straight in and get some cleaning done.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can't find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down, down, down? How can I long for you feeling so small? Love should be everything or not at all. My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind just like a dream. Yeah, you and me. Can't help but feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget all of my fears. Just disappeared when I'm with you. Ooh, I give you a taste. Now when you with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. Oh, love me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted. You're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, then you can have it all. You're moving closer, I feel the heat. Hands on your chest, you're all I want. Now keep me warm, just like a dream. I'm coming in. The fantasy, it never leaves when when I'm with you. Ooh, I give you a taste. Now when you're with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. And just love me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted, you're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best of the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and me, the best that you can be, and you can have it all. I'm giving you the best of the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and me, the best that you can be, and you can have it all. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first.
This little section of my video is an integrated partnership with Cherryz. Cherryz are an online shop where you can purchase lots of different things. They have so many things that you can buy, be it laundry, cleaning, sweets, Christmas decor, little gifts. They basically have everything. It's very like Poundland. There's lots of items that are £1, lots of items that are £2 or £3. As you can see, I downloaded the app on my phone and it's just so easy to shop from. The times that we're in at the moment where we can't get out to the shops very often to get the essential things that we need, this is where Cherryz is going to be amazing for me, because it means I haven't got to queue in any queues or anything like that, and I can get everything that I need with the click of a finger. And it came within about 2 days. It came super fast. I just basically click on the items, pop them in my basket, check out. You can check out with PayPal or with your bank card. They have so much stuff online, you will be spoiled for choice, but I highly recommend Cherryz. I will definitely be using them again in the future, moving forwards, for getting all of my cleaning products, because as you will have seen, they have the Barkeeper's Friend spray, which is really hard for me to get hold of. So this alone is one perfect reason for me to return to Cherryz, but I will return to them anyway because I love how efficient they were. I had everything in the basket and received within 2 days, which is really quick. No queues or anything like that. So yeah, thank you so much to Cherryz for sponsoring this little integrated part of my video. And thank you to all of you for supporting me and watching it when there are adverts in my video. It means the world to me, and it helps me to be able to create this content and keep my channel going. So I would just like to say thank you for all of your patience and support when it comes to adverts on my videos.
What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. What you did to me, I was so caught up when you happened to me. Make it undone, 'cause my heart is breaking. What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. What you did
when you don't realise your own strength. But I ordered a new one of these from Cherryz, so I can throw that in the bin now. Here's what I ordered in my Cherryz order. I have always wanted a soup ladle, and I got this one. The only thing is, it's not suitable for the dishwasher, so it'll have to be washed by hand, which is no bother. But, you know, it's easy to just throw things in the dishwasher, isn't it? And then this one is like a nice big spoon, and this one, again, is not suitable for the dishwasher. And I got a new one of these because I snapped the other one. Again, it's silicone, can't go in the dishwasher, but can easily be washed. And yeah, I got them. I think they're £1 each from Cherryz. Chuffed with my little soup ladle because, as you know, I make a lot of soups, a lot of scouse, so that is going to be perfect. I just need to wash them. I would quickly include the rest of the Cherryz haul that they have kindly sent to me. So all of these cleaning products are from Cherryz. I feel incredibly lucky to have received them all, and I'm so happy, and I will put them all to good use. A couple of the things I have already been using, which is the fabric softener, I've nearly finished that one, and the tumble dryer sheets. The rest of the products I've kept to include in this video to share with you all. I have also been using these Love Heart wax melts, which smell absolutely gorgeous, but I'm burning these ones upstairs at the moment, and they're lovely. So I ordered some 3volution, which I've just plugged in upstairs, and I've got another one for downstairs for behind this Christmas tree. And then some other fragrances which I've not tried before, which is the red cherry blossom, a vanilla bouquet, and ocean mist. Some Parma violets wax melts because I'm desperate to try them. I could imagine they smell gorgeous. Some Thai orchid Febreze air freshener, and then they're the trays for those air fresheners to go into. I got another one of the Domestos toilet cleaners because I like them, they clean the toilet nicely. I got some of these fairy balls, and these are wire wool. I've got them for cleaning the oven. Now my oven, believe it or not, is a self-cleaning oven, but I don't believe that it cleans itself that well, so I'm going to give it a helping hand, and I'm probably going to use one of these. But there are plenty of things that I go, oh gosh, wire wool would be amazing now, because my mum used to swear by wire wool. It's just not something I've ever bought, so, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to love them. I got some more of the Fresh Stripes toilet gel, which I absolutely love. Then my Barkeeper's Friend Power Cream, I got 2 because, as you know, I use that to clean my sink and ovens. It can be used on all sorts. As you know, you can clean your cups with it. So I got 2 of those, and I also got 2 of my Barkeeper's Stain Remover, which is my favourite cleaning product of everything. If I only had if I was only allowed one cleaner in my kitchen, it would be Barkeeper's Friend, because it's so versatile. And this, I have to say, I've just cleaned my bathroom with it. My bathroom is sparkling clean. I think it's going to be my new favourite bathroom cleaner. It's that good. I picked up one of these, which is a dishwasher cleaner. Peg. It's like she knows when I'm filming, because she's like, oh well, if I just go underneath the Christmas tree, I'll get in one of Mummy's vlogs very quickly. Oh, be careful, watch your eyes. Watch your eyes, how cheeky is she? What are you doing under there? That's not your bed. That's not your bed, Peg, watch your eyes on them. I'm terrified of these poking her in the eye. Oh, where was I? Anyway, so easily distracted by our Peg, but she grunts and sneezes and snores to get me attention. I got some more Fresh Stripes. I got some fairy liquid in these fragrances I've never tried before. I'm pretty sure that was peach. maybe. It's in a foreign language, so I can't even read it now. And this one was sensitive because my hands had been sore, but I've been taking care of them with some hand cream and not using as much of the alcohol gel and using hot soap and water, and they're doing okay. And I also got some fabric softener comfort, which is my favourite. So I'm so happy with all of these. These will be used in a lot of my cleaning videos coming up because, as you know, Barkeeper's Friends is one of my favourite cleaners. But I would just like to say thank you to Cherryz for sending me these products and for working with me.
Now what's the vibe? Is it party time? Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, feeling the vibe. We are so lit. Is it me and you now? Let me smoke that pipe. Feeling so fly, wanna dance with you. Rhythm takes control. Always on tonight, and you shine like gold. I can't get enough now. Let me come real close, baby, strike a pose.
In